It seems like only a couple days ago that I was saying cheese 100 times for my 21st subscriber, Ethan. But now I'm saying it sneeze, like a chew sneeze, 100 times for my 27th subscriber, Connor Cummingham. So, thank you for 6 subscribers in like a couple days. That's really cool. Same thing as the cheese. Sneeze 1, sneeze 2. Well, that's gonna be hard. Let's get started. Sneeze 1, sneeze 2, sneeze 3, sneeze 4, sneeze 5, sneeze 6, sneeze 7, sneeze 8, sneeze 9, sneeze 10, sneeze 11, sneeze 12, sneeze 13, sneeze 14, sneeze 15, sneeze 16, sneeze 17, sneeze 18, sneeze 19, sneeze 20, sneeze 21, sneeze 22, sneeze 23, sneeze 24, sneeze 25, sneeze 26, sneeze 27, sneeze 28, sneeze 29, sneeze 30, sneeze 31, sneeze 32, sneeze 33, sneeze 34, sneeze 35, sneeze 36, sneeze 37, sneeze 38, sneeze 40, 39, sneeze 40, sneeze 41, sneeze 42, sneeze 43, sneeze 44, sneeze 45, sneeze 46, sneeze 47, sneeze 48, sneeze 49, sneeze 50. We're halfway done. Sneeze 51, sneeze 52, sneeze 53, sneeze 54, sneeze 59, sneeze 55, sneeze 56, sneeze 57, sneeze 58, sneeze 59, sneeze 50, sneeze 61, sneeze 62, sneeze 63, sneeze 64, sneeze 65, sneeze 66, sneeze 67, sneeze 68, sneeze 69, sneeze 70, sneeze 71, sneeze 72, sneeze 73, sneeze 74, sneeze 75, sneeze 76, sneeze 77, sneeze 78, sneeze 79, sneeze 80, sneeze 81, sneeze 82, sneeze 83, sneeze 84, sneeze 85, sneeze 86, sneeze 87, sneeze 88, sneeze 89, sneeze 90, sneeze 91, sneeze 92, sneeze 93, sneeze 94, sneeze 95, sneeze 96, sneeze 97, sneeze 98, sneeze 95, sneeze 97, sneeze 98, sneeze 99, sneeze 100, sneeze 96. I don't know if I said that, but we finished. Oh, we did that. Thank you, Connor Cunningham, for being my 27th subscriber. Big fun, big brain, big good stuff. Bye-bye. I love you guys.